Hello guys, today I will be giving you a breakdown on how I made this realistic Oreo product shot in 3ds Max. Make sure to like and subscribe. Join my Discord to get free files and learn more. First up, we need to lay down the foundation for our cookie. We'll start by creating a simple cylinder. Make sure to adjust the height segments and cap segments to get a nice, smooth base for our Oreo. We want enough geometry to work with, but not too much to slow us down. Now, to give our cookie that iconic ridged edge, we're going to use the chamfer modifier. This will bevel the edges and add that subtle, realistic detail. Time for the fun part, adding the Oreo design! We'll apply a displace modifier and load in our Oreo texture. This powerful tool will push and pull the geometry based on the black and white values of our image, bringing that classic pattern to life! Next, let's create that creamy, dreamy filling. We'll add another cylinder, making it slightly smaller in radius and height than our cookie base. Position it perfectly in the center, ready for its delicious texture. To give our cream filling that soft, slightly uneven look, we're going to use a displace modifier again, but this time with a noise map. This will add subtle bumps and variations, making it look less like a perfect cylinder and more like real cream. Experiment with the noise parameters to get the desired level of realism. Alright, we have our cookie and cream. Now, let's assemble our first full Oreo. We'll duplicate the cookie base and use the Boolean tool to combine them with our cream filling. This creates a single, cohesive cookie sandwich. Now for the cookie material! We'll apply a dark brown Corona physical material to our cookie. This is where the magic of texturing comes in. We'll be adding a normal map to give it that crumbly baked texture. To get that super realistic cookie texture, we're going to download a high quality bread texture. This will serve as our normal map, providing all those intricate details that make the cookie look truly authentic. Remember, good textures are key! With our bread texture downloaded, we'll plug it into the normal map slot of our cookie material. Adjust the tiling and offset to ensure the texture scales correctly and looks natural on our Oreo. This step really brings out the deliciousness! Now for the cream! We'll apply a pure white Corona physical material to our cream filling. Keep it simple and clean. The displacement map we added earlier will handle all the lovely textural details. To optimize our scene and make it super efficient for rendering, we're going to export our completed Oreo as a Corona proxy. This turns our detailed model into a lightweight placeholder, allowing us to duplicate many Oreos without bogging down our system. Time to multiply our delicious creations! We'll use the array tool to quickly duplicate and arrange our cream fillings. This is a fantastic way to create multiple instances of an object with precise control over their placement. Next, we'll use the array tool again, this time for the top cookie halves. We'll arrange them above our cream fillings, making sure they align perfectly to form complete Oreo sandwiches. And finally, we'll array the bottom cookie halves, completing our delicious lineup of Oreos! The array tool is a lifesaver for repetitive tasks like this, saving us tons of time and effort. Just like before, we'll convert these individual cookie and cream parts into Corona proxies. This keeps our scene optimized and ready for rendering, even with a whole army of Oreos. With all our Oreo components as proxies, we can now easily arrange them into stacks and patterns using the array tool. This allows for quick and flexible scene composition, whether you want a neat pile or a scattered arrangement. Adjusting the exposure, white balance, bloom, and glare will give our final image that professional mouth watering look. Join my Discord to get free files and learn more.